All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but a dirty condenser coil can seriously mess that up by making your energy bills spike and cooling drop off. Okay, so the condenser coil is basically the part outside your house that dumps heat from inside to the air outside. When it gets dirty with dust, leaves, or whatever, it can't release heat properly. That means your air conditioner has to work way harder to cool your home, which sucks up more electricity and drives your bills up. Plus, if you don't clean it, the whole unit can start overheating or even break down over time. To keep it running smooth, you want to check that coil at least once a year and hose it off gently if you see grime. Also, keep the area around the AC clear of debris and plants so airflow isn't blocked. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, calling a pro to do a yearly tune-up is a smart move. Trust me, a clean condenser coil saves you money and headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their AC is ignoring the condenser coil when it's dirty. Number 1, letting dirt build up causes poor cooling performance because heat transfer is blocked. Fix it by cleaning the coil regularly. Number 2, people often forget to clear debris around the outdoor unit, which blocks airflow and strains the system. Keep at least 2 feet of space clear around your unit. Number 3, skipping professional maintenance leads to missed issues like refrigerant leaks or fan problems. Schedule yearly checkups with a licensed technician to catch problems early. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess up your air conditioning or other home projects. Contractors also get more work by connecting with clients who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone trying to fix or upgrade their homes.